So when it comes to influences, I want to share something with you guys, okay? Something that has been a game changer for me. So, we all have our influences. We all have, like, I grew up with this or with that or whatever, Rolling Stones, whatever the case may be, right? But an amazing thing to try and do is, let's say you're a country musician and you want to write a country song, okay? Listen to some R&B. Listen to some pop, okay? Listen to some metal. Listen to some fusion, some jazz, a genre that is outside of the one that you're writing in. Trust me, just give it a try. It's an amazing technique to not only get out of the box that you're in, your genre, right? Because it's a box, that's for sure. Okay? So you got parameters that you're working within. If you're rock and roll, if you're country, if you're R&B, if you're pop, I don't care what you are. There are parameters. Well, get outside of those parameters by listening to a different genre for a while. A couple of weeks is a good idea. In the car, at home, whatever suits you better, okay? And let it soak in and see what it does to your song. You're still gonna write a country song, but it's gonna be influenced by this other genre, and it's gonna add flavor, and it's gonna add color, and it's gonna add magic to your song. Trust me, give it a shot.